This time I will be making sure how to perform self-freezing. What is the role of self-freezing? I hope in the previous class you have understood how to make tables. Today I want you to make the same table which we did previously. Now with the help of one shot, if we write 3 or 4 or 5 anywhere in our cell, in our respective cell, the table will automatically becomes the table of 3 or table of 4 or table of 5 and so on. Let's see how it will be done. Anyway, in the sheet I'm coloring a cell. This is C2 cell and I've colored it with the yellow and it's putting 5 in it. 5. Okay, this is only for beautification, and this is only, it will help you to visualize which number needs to be changed. Now what I'm doing, I'm writing here equals, not 5, that cell, we are freezing that cell. How to freeze the cell? F4. This dollars will occur. The dollar occurs means that the cell has been freezed, and enter, it will come to be 5. Now drag it down till whatever you want, till the area wherever you want, and then 1 followed by 2, and then again like we previously did, selecting both the cells and then double click. It will take all the values till 12. We don't need 11 and 12, so we can delete both of them. Now equals, we are doing exactly the same thing. Equals, we need to multiply, we need to find a table of 5, so 5 ones are 5, equals 5. We are not supposed to write 5, we will only select the cell where 5 is written over, multiplied by shift and star and 1. Okay, enter, 5 on the 5. So double click, no need to drag, and you are having a table of 5. Now how it is different from the previous work? The question is this: if suppose I have to jot down the table of suppose 20, I don't need to write 20 over here. What I will do, see the yellow cell, I will go there and will write 20, and now enter, and we will have the table of 20. This is the beauty of cell freezing. We have freezed this cell. Where we have freezed the cell? Here. The dollar sign will make sure that it has been freezed. Now any other table, if we want a table of 99, do it like this, 99. You are supposed to change 99 to the yellow cell and then enter, and you are having a table of 99. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.